This is the homework for the HPS part. So let's look at the code first here. So I compiled this program on the Fpga directly. So I had to do some stuff with like the header files as well as define this part here. And I had to modify this import so that it points to the correct file essentially right here. Then these are the registers that are used for the LEDs and the button right here. As you can see, this is what we use for it. And then the main thing about this code is that it creates like a virtual memory so that it tricks the program into thinking it has more memory than it does. This is what we're doing right here. Let's see. And this turns on and off the LEDs using those registers right here. Blinks it twice. Then this is the main part. I had some issues running it, so I had to do some debugging right here. At first, I thought it was like maybe the button debouncing, but turns out it wasn't. So all you're doing is you're getting the state of it, and then you turn it on and off depending on the button state essentially. Then that's the code for it. Okay. Then let's exit out here and let's check out the size of it. I'm doing this one hand, so just bear with me for a second. There you go. As you can see, the output is ADA out. Size is 8.2 kilobytes. Now, how I would compile this is using this thing here. Where's that? GCC. This is essentially including the directory for it, and it links all the header files that we would need. And this would be the include file that I added in here. Then yeah, so if you run that, it will spit out this ADA out. Then you just run the ADA out directly. So let's see where it's at. This one here. So before that, let me just show that it blinks first. So this is the Fpga. I'm starting code now. It blinks twice right here. Then you see it blinks twice, and then when you press this control LED here, which I thought was like a button press on the keyboard here. So I was pressing it, but it didn't turn on the light, so it confused me. Then I did some more research into it, and it's actually this HPS button right here. So you press this button, it turns on the LED. Uh-oh. You hold it, there you go. That's on, off, right? So I need to hold it for a second. But it works, as you can see. Yep. Thank you.